Take a ride in the 2024 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.